How to log in into US Bank online banking. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can log in into US Bank online banking. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and in the search bar, type in usbank.com. That's gonna take you to their official website. Once you're here, navigate to the bottom right corner. There is a login button, or on their official website on their dashboard you will have a login prompt already loaded on your right hand side as well. So you can simply log in from here or head towards the login button, click on it, and that's gonna take you to their login page. So for now, we will just simply log in from here, from the dashboard only. So in the account login, you have to enter your username, which is associated with your account. So make sure to type in your correct username. Under that, there is a password field. There you have to enter your correct password, which is associated with your account. In case if you forget your username or password, there is a link right here. You have to click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your account. Or if you have any other corporate or commercial account, then you have this link right here. Click on it and that's going to let you log in into your account. So once you're done entering your login credential under the account login for your personal account, here you have to click on login button, and with that you'll be logged in into your account if you have entered the correct login credentials. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.